Yeah guys, second stop, Tastees. Oi oi. Double up 2 patty and drinks. Yeah, that's our second meal. Yeah, so we got KFC and now we're digging at some patty. Yeah.
Mountain Dew, please. What you want, Mountain?
Have a thing, man. That's something. You have straw?
Oh, get your patty, you know.
Go from motor run. Yes, be boss.
Hot.
Yep.
My one cool first, yeah.
Yes, it's good. Sugar bun. Yep. And I got a thing. Long time I haven't had a thing.
So you have a thing?
I'm gonna have a thing.
Do you have a thing for me?
I have more than a thing for you, baby. And I'm gonna throw down 2 patties. Oh Lord.
Yeah, them smell hot.
Yeah guys, so we're gonna indulge in them patty and no patty. Yes guys, so second meal of the trip.
2 patty each.
Sugar bun.
Yeah, sugar bun. Tevan. Not even a comes when I left here, Tevan.
Wow, go on, go back, you look healthy. So we got the sugar bun guys, but I'm disappointed in it. It's a bit too dry. It's not soft. Not soft at all. Dry. So this was a disappointment. But the patty them nice. That's how we choke all the dog to blow. Anger. Yes guys, Tastee Mukbang, straight out of Jamaica. Perfect, I got nice. Wash my clothes. Yes, first one that. Oh yeah, go on man.
When I feel hotter than the first one.
Something to wash it down.
Another one is too hot. Cool.
And I saw me like my patty them, you know, I love them hot.
I would warm.
People hear me cool in the patty, you know what?
When I peel up pulse. Like a Velcro thing there right there.
Beef and cheese. Watch out me full of patty crumbs. I see the orange juice in the orange box. Oh, what, juicy?
Juicy for the game or something. So I remember it till I talk about it too.
I see the fresh one a while ago. I see the orange one. Oh, what time is school?
You know what time? The 20, I know school stuff, I'm at least squad at the 8. Then casually I stroll by like them in.
Hurling. That sweet squad. Catch your last bite of my cheese spot now. That was good. More great. Enjoying your coffee. Apart from it, I look a bit too hot for you.
Very nice.
No, come on, I can briefly. Just off them only for patty for me, guys. Oh, yeah.
Did you say that one?
Yeah. So did you sell? We're going to come and check you. Yeah, guys, so this is a waste of money because this is too tough and dry.
Now, what did it make?
It said the 5th of March 23.
So it's supposed to just make the expired.
Sorry. Yeah. That was a waste of money. Yeah, guys. Thing is lovely as well. Wash down my patty. Nice and cool. I used to say thing good for you. Burn belly fat, you know. Your stomach flat. But the grapefruit, but I don't know how that will work when time have so much
I'm
sodium.
supposed to drink the grapefruit with the
Mountain Dew grapefruit as well?
sure, some citrus. Different, you get that.
So that one is
Citrus.
but I see citrus into or just the grapefruit
Oh,
was
the grapefruit,
rolled
you said in the box.
Oh, this is grapefruit.
Yeah.
Yes, sweet squad. Thanks for joining our Tastee Mukbang. Stay tuned for our next
Juicy
meal.
food. I don't remember juicy food. Juicy,
Juicy, yeah, we're gonna try that because I never really had that one much. I always go for tastes, but like I heard that the juicy patty is more filled with meat. So we're gonna try that one as well, guys. So thanks for watching. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thank you, guys.
Out.
Peace from Jamaica. Yes, guys. Flip the. You can see we had the mukbang right at Tastee's.